Areas are our villages and the urban areas are the cities. A city is an assembly of such centralized towns in which facilities like developed means of transportation, communication, systematic trade centers, administrative units, educational institutions for higher education, etc. are available. The density of population is high in them due to industrialization and urbanization. The density of population is continuously increasing in cities. Due to industrialization, villagers keep on migrating to cities in search of jobs and employment. Better living conditions in cities also draw people towards them. That is why the density in most of the cities is increasing every day. So city is a place where developed means of transportation, communication, proper trade centers and your administrative units of local level as well as your state level or central level units, educational institutions for higher education are situated. In cities, industries are situated, and because of the industrialization in cities, the people from villages are migrating towards the cities in search of jobs and to improve their social living, their standard of living by earning money. So in cities, the living conditions are better than those in the rural areas. This is the main reason why the density of population in cities is increasing. Now the differences between village and town are given below. Number 1. A town is smaller in size than a city. Town एक city से छोटा होता है. A settlement with a population of 1 lakh or more person is called a city. On the other hand, a town should have a population of 5,000 and more people. In a city, the population is more than 1 lakh people. But in a town, the population is around 5,000 or more people. Towns are bigger than villages but smaller than cities. तो towns क्या है? Villages से बड़े and cities से छोटे. Generally, the local self-government of a town is called municipality, while that of the city is called municipal corporation. So, in a town, all the matters relating to the township is dealt with by the municipality, which in cities is called as municipal corporation. Generally, the density of population in town is less and that in the cities is more. In order to understand the contemporary phenomena of rural and urban population in India, we have to rely on the facts and figures of different censuses held in the country. The rural population in terms of number was 213 in the beginning of the century. It reached 743 million. So the population in rural areas is increasing. It was 213 million in 1900, in the beginning of the century, and has reached 743 million. In the meantime, its percentage has fallen from 89.2% in 1901 to 72.2% in 2001, a fall of 17% in the same period. In terms of number, it was 26 million in 1901 and increased to 286 million and increased to 260 million in 2001. A continuous trend of increase in urban population since the beginning of the 20th century is prima facie, while it was fluctuating till 1931 in case of rural population. This increase is not confined only in terms of number, but processes of modern development ensure that the economic and social significance of the agrarian rural way of life declines relative to the significance of the individual urban way of life. It means that the population in the villages are declining, and in the cities it is increasing. It is only because of the transformation, the social transformation, that the people residing in the rural areas are trying to adopt, accepting. ठीक है? Because in the rural areas proper medical facilities are not there, proper education facilities are not there, and all these facilities are available in your cities. Therefore the people from the village area are migrating and going towards the cities. The main reason behind this are: number one, agriculture is no more an occupation that can give an adequate economic subsistence to agriculturists. अब ज़्यादा कमाई नहीं रही एग्रीकल्चर में. Cost of inputs have increased considerably, while prices of agro products are declining. लागत ज़्यादा होने लगी है in production of the goods and services. The cost is increasing, but the prices of the agro products, when they are sold in the market, those prices are declining. So there is very less chance of earning handsome returns on the investments that the agriculturists are doing. Reluctance to farming operations of agriculturists and their farming operations are shifting to non-farming rural occupations like transportation services, business enterprises, or aircraft manufacturing is also a major reason for their migration to cities. Now, what the agriculturists were doing, that is their farming operations, they are now shifting towards non-farming rural occupations. They are engaging themselves in transport services, in small business enterprises which are engaged in manufacturing of handicrafts, and those goods are sold in the cities and they are earning some money, or they have shifted to the cities, and in the cities they are manufacturing these things, these handicrafts, in small scale sector units. Third, farmers have been attracted to urban lifestyle and patterns of consumption owing to awareness created by mass media and communication channels. So mass media has also affected the life of the Indian rural population. Now the style, the urban style and the pattern of consumption in the urban areas are being adapted by the rural population. Then mass transit and mass communication has bridged the gap between rural and urban areas. Then the rural people initially go to cities in search of jobs and shortly they settle there. शुरुआत में नौकरी लेने के लिए जाते हैं, अप डाउन करते हैं, and later on they settle over there in the cities. Common resources like ponds, forests, grazing lands have become private property in village. Hence people have no access to these resources. They cannot get fodder, fuel and supplementary food items free of cost as earlier. Hence it is also a major reason for the migration to urban centers. There are no opportunities for earning cash income in villages. Generally लोग, because village community एक दूसरे से बहुत ही strongly interlinked होती है, तो वहाँ पर उधार बहुत ज़्यादा चलता है. The people from depressed castes like SCs and STs feel them get rid of humiliation in relative anonymity that a city provides. Hence people migrate to cities in order to get rid of humiliation due to caste identity. Caste identity, your tribal identity, they are all kept anonymous in cities. कोई नहीं जानता आप किस जाति के हैं, आप किस ट्राइब से को बिलोंग करते हैं. And in this way, the humiliation that the villagers face in the rural areas because of low caste, being scheduled tribes, that humiliation, they get rid of that humiliation in the cities.